We are here at RAPID TCT. The US market is a core market for us, and we are really planning to further invest to serve our customers with the best possible technologies to be as successful as possible.
Additive really empowers you to be able to create something that is custom to you. So you can personalize it, throw your name in there, make it a different color, make it a different style. And then the post-processing side that we do is where it comes to life of the aesthetic color.
This time we came up with a totally new concept when it comes to visualization. We 3D printed all our machines in miniature, and you can place them on the screen onto the right machine, and you get a lot of information. The people get like a really great overview about our workflow, starting from the cleaning process, the surfacing processes, and to the deep dye coloring process.
One of my favorite customer applications of our technology is the effect of our surfacing technologies on digitally added patterns. So these are patterns that are printed into the product at the time of manufacturing, and then with the combination of our surfacing technologies, it really brings those patterns to life and makes them look like a truly finished, injection molded quality product.
As we look to the future of DyeMansion and what that means, the advancement of industrialization and scaling up from prototype, as we start to look at the impact that's going to have on automotive, medical, consumer, and industrial processing, it's going to be an incredible advancement for all of us in the industry.